Start with a slip knot. And chain 39, or else you can start off with any odd number of chains. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. One double crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. And a double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this in each of the stitches. That's one single crochet and one double crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet. One double crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet. One double crochet. One single crochet, and in the last stitch you'll finish off with a double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch, that's the first double crochet, and in the next single crochet make a double crochet. Now keep repeating the stitches. Next you have a double crochet, so here you will be making a single crochet, and in the next stitch make a double crochet. Now keep repeating the stitches until the end. That's one single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. So just to keep a track of the stitches, on the double crochet you should have a single crochet, and on the single crochet you will be having a double crochet. Make the last set of stitches. One single crochet, and in the last stitch you'll be making a double crochet. This is the last stitch. This is how it will look. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. The first stitch you'll start off with a single crochet. You have a double crochet over here and a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this until the end. One single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. Continue with the stitches. One single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. This is how it will look. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.